Hi, today I will show you watercolor flowers. I just bought in a brush set. I just combined some brushes together. It's a watercolor flowers creator. Okay, there are a lot of pieces of flowers, pollens and leaves in this brush set. First you select the flower and then I will need the vase first. I will draw it with symmetric tool. Modify actions guide. And then you can draw a vase. Start to draw flowers. Create a new layer and set it to drawing acid. Choose color, then put the flower on the canvas. Select the pollen and put it at the middle of the flower. And then choosing the next flower as you like, then arrange them. Also choose your own colors. Okay, there is no rule for the flowers. Choose whatever you like. This brush set is suitable for Procreate Pocket app because it's easy and fast. I'll put the leaves next. Draw the stems in the vase next. Then decorate more and then it's done.